been trying to do what everybody else doing, just cause everybody doing what they all do. If one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
Am I tripping for having a vision? My prediction, I'ma be on top of the world. Walking, walking, don't look back. Always do what you decide. Don't let them control your life. That's just how I feel. Oh, fight for yours, so don't let go. Don't let them compare, you know. Don't worry, you're not alone. That's just how we feel.
Am I wrong?
Am I wrong?
For thinking that we could be something for real?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh,
Now am I wrong
am I wrong?
for trying to reach the things that I can't see?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right, right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right, right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right.
Am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.